In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to your Xero account. It's a straightforward process that can help streamline your financial management by allowing your accountant direct access to your financial data. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're on your Xero dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your company name displayed. Click on your company name, and it will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Settings. Accessing the Settings page is essential as it serves as a control hub for managing various features within your account. Upon entering the Settings page, you'll find numerous options available. For this particular task, you'll want to focus on the Users option. Click on Users, and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to managing user permissions and inviting new users to your Xero account. Now, here's where you officially invite your accountant. Look for the button labeled Invite a User and click on it. This will open up a form where you can enter some important details about the person you're inviting. To do this, type in your accountant's name as well as their email address into the designated fields. Next, you'll need to determine the kind of access you want to grant them. Xero offers several default permission levels, so choose the one that suits your accountant's needs best. This will ensure they have the right level of access to help you effectively manage your finances. Once you've filled out their name, email, and selected their permissions, it's time for the final step. Click on the Send Invite button. This action will trigger an email invitation to your accountant's inbox. Now, it's crucial for your accountant to open this email and accept the invitation. If they don't already have a Xero account, they'll be prompted to create one at this point. This process is simple and necessary for them to access your financial data seamlessly. And just like that, you've successfully invited your accountant to your Xero account. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure your bookkeeping and financial analysis are always up to date. By allowing your accountant access, you're not only saving valuable time, but also enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of your financial management. Remember, keeping an open line of communication with your accountant is vital. Should any questions arise during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to them for clarification. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now confident in managing user access in your Xero account. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting!